Repairing the rift. Understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, repair the rift. This phrase is not just a literal combination of words, but rather a metaphorical expression rich in meaning. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Repair the rift is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. A rift is a serious break or split, often referring to relationships or groups. It's like a crack or division that separates people. To repair this rift means to mend or resolve the issues causing the division. It's about bridging the gap and bringing people or groups back together. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts. Let's see how repair the rift can be used in different sentences. 1. After a long disagreement, the two friends worked to repair the rift in their friendship. 2. The company's new policy was an attempt to repair the rift between management and employees. 3. In the movie, the protagonist's journey is all about repairing the rift with his family. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting various scenarios involving reconciliation or resolution of conflicts. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can deepen your comprehension. Here are a few. Mend fences, bridge the gap, reconcile differences, heal the division. These phrases carry similar meanings and can be used interchangeably in appropriate contexts. And that's a wrap on Repair the Rift. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one are a great way to enrich your English and express complex ideas succinctly. I hope this video helps you understand and use Repair the Rift confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.